Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Lois Wamaitha. I do cooking, cleaning, organizing and weight loss. If you like such kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button. Also give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. So today video it will be a homemaking motivation, and it's an early morning here, and I started by going outside to slash my compound because I have this care of having long grass. Stepping on long grass, especially here is where I hang my laundry, and that later I had laundry to hang. That's why I needed to immediately tackle the grass because it was growing day by day because of the rains that has been falling. So grab your cup of tea, relax and enjoy this homemaking video. So this is like a day in my life. So after slashing, I went back inside and started doing my laundry. And I had to change my outfit because the earlier one had grass all over and everything, so I had to change. And here I'm using the pastel and also the downy and the G-Call colors. So as the laundry is going on, I went to and cleaned my living room. That video you have already seen it, and now I'm back after cleaning the living room and my laundry is ready, and it was a lot, guys. So after this I'm going out and hanging them. Then after hanging them I'll do the dishes.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed.
So after doing the laundry, I went inside and got ready to go to the market, but I had some few utensils that I'm going to clean quickly so that I don't get late to go to the market. Then after coming back from the market, I'll come and show you everything that I got from the market.
Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do.
So whenever I'm going to the market, I love leaving the house so clean so that when I come back, I won't have a lot of work. I'll just cook and organize the groceries.
Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
Kindly guys, watch this video till the end and support this girl to grow. Kindly.
Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
So I'm back from the market, and here is the things that I got. I got Milo, and I got this XF raising flour because I do bake. You can see my job top there. the video that I'm showing you. And I also use the soko ugali and the soko home baking flour. This is the best unga for chapatis, guys. I hear people talking about aja, but you haven't tried soko. Soko is the best, guys. And also soko ugali, it's also the best I've tasted. Hope you are enjoying my day, guys. Here I'm just refilling things that I didn't have that needed to be refilled, and my day is not even halfway. By the way, this Milo sachet save a lot, save a lot. I usually do buy it, and it's very nice with the kids and also even with adults. Also, guys, rice in the supermarket is very expensive, guys. So buying this 10 kg rice really do save a lot, and it's very nice. Whenever you cook it, it has never disappointed me. So those were the only things that I got from the supermarket, and here is everything that I got from the market. The market today was very good. By the way, this is how I store my bananas, and I never have sugar flies, and I don't store my tomatoes inside the fridge. And by the way, guys, can you imagine these eggs? I got them for 290 shillings only, and you can see they are big size. By the way, if you want to keep your tomatoes fresh, I don't keep them in the fridge. I mix the tomatoes with lemons, and they will stay even for 2 weeks. 2 weeks without even spoiling, guys. So try this hack, guys, and come back and tell me. So the next thing I'm doing is prepping tomorrow's dinner, because I love soaking my beans overnight so that tomorrow I'll just boil them very quick. So after soaking the beans, next I'm going to clean my shoes. Remember, I had done laundry, but I didn't finish because I was going to the market and I didn't want to be late. So I soaked my shoes, and now here I'll just clean them very quickly so that I can get inside and start making dinner.
Feelings.
So I'm done with the shoes, and you can see it's already dark outside. So I'll get inside and start making dinner. And today's menu, we are eating mashed bananas, meat stew, and some greens. Guys, you have seen that I added sugar in the bananas, in my boiled bananas. Let me tell you, this takes your bananas to the next level. And here I'm making the meat stew, and I've added the onion, the garlic, and the tomatoes, and I will let the tomatoes cook. Then I added the meat, but this meat I had already boiled it. I just removed it from the freezer.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
So next I'm making the greens, and the best way to make your greens that turn out so sweet, you let the onion to cook till golden brown. And my meat is all ready. I added some soup because you're taking it with some bananas and they'll be dry. By the way, I'm using only bones, and these are goat bones.
Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do.
So this is the golden brown I was talking about, and your greens will be taken to the next level. By the way, I only cook my greens 3 minutes, and they'll be done. And this food came out so good and so delicious. I hope you do try it. And if you try it, kindly let me know. If you have come this far, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.
Every time you hold me, take me